Alright, got in a bonus first game. Just started. See what happens. 100 in. See a full screen magic. Green, all balls. Oh, that's gotta line up. Oh, that one was good. That didn't do nothing. $10. Okay, about 10 spins in. That's your bonus. Pretty much, so $40 in. See what happens. It's a magic. See a full screen, a hand pay. $5 bet. Never know. See a major drop, minor drop, major drop, minor drop. Full screen. Let's see the magic. Bring it home. Bring it home today. There you go. 1,000. Big screen. Come on. Bring it on. Big screen. Oh, flash that me. Flash that major. Oh, okay. Alright, only 12 collected. Let's see what he's. Let's see what he's. 100 in. $205. Okay. Alright. $205, not bad. Just to get started. $100 in, so I'm just spend $20. Just get it started. We're on a winning streak. We're on a 3-day winning streak. Please get a little responsible. Games really hit a lot, so you can really earn it up in these games. And that's 265. I put in 100, so I'm up on 165. So there it is. Just made a quick $165 in like 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm gonna take that shit and cash out. You heard? Take a good win, walk away. $165. Real quick. We in the little Lions den. We in the trap. There you go. So 165 real quick. Just like that, I'm out of here. Alright, so we just left the lines in, pulled up to a slot, gave it about 12 spins or so, and I hit pow. Made a profit of $165. So I took that 165 and I walked away, shit like that. You gotta walk away. That's one of the keys to success in winning consistently is walk away. I watch people just go up like $300, $400, $500 just now in that trap spot and then lose it. So they could have walked away and came back another day, up $300, $400, $500. But see, sometimes motherfuckers don't walk away, so they lose their money. So I just take whatever win I get and walk away, and that's how you keep winning consistently. So yesterday I won 500, and the day before that, I think I won $130, walked away. The day before that though, I won $2,120. So $2,100 the day before that. I walked away. So, the big wins will come. But if you use this type of way of gambling where you just always take a win and walk away, then you'll hit something big, like more often than not. Every couple of days, you'll hit something big, So yesterday it was 500. Today, 165, and it's all good. I'm gonna walk away and then get my money and go. And it's cool. I'm gonna go to bed and wake up, go to work, and then I can always come back again because my casino is only like 30 minutes away from where I stay at. So that's how you keep winning consistently. I can come back tomorrow and the money will keep compounding. The money keeps compounding. You make compound interest. So it's really easy To win at the casino, go straight to the high limit room. That's where the games have the highest RTP, return to player, okay? You want to play the games that a lot of people are playing, because if they paying, people is playing, okay? Straight like that. Don't waste your time on a lot of these penny machine games or distractions, okay? And I'm doing $5 a bet, so $5 a bet, you know, is not crazy high, but I'll do $5 a bet, 10s, 15s, 20s, and I just so happen to hit, you know, early. I like to say start small, work your way up too. That's another strategy. I used to build a bankroll. Start small, doing $5 bets, build up a bankroll, and then go up to 10. And then if you're hitting on 10s, go up to 15, 20. If you're hitting on those, go up to 30s and 40s and 50s and so on, to where you throwing the hundreds. But after a while, you're gonna build up. You want to build up your bankroll, and then once you build up your bankroll, then you have enough ammo and enough ammunition to take on the big bets where you could, you know, run through some hundreds and be all right. Even if you take a loss, you won't go broke or nothing like that. So that's the method, that's the strategy. And using this strategy, I mean, my last 11 games, I'm now 10-1 in my last 11 games. So 10-1, that's not bad. That's pretty damn good. And I'm up a couple $1,000s off of it, for sure. You know, easy way to make, you know, 5, 10, 20 racks on a winning streak, all right? So as long as you go on a winning streak, you'll make your money, straight like that. That's how you really run up a bag in the casino, all right? So, yo, found the value in this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off crazy, powerful gems, casino method. With all my goals to blast off and win, you heard? You know what to do, spontaneous productions. Gambling goons, what up? Starting off eating good before we get started. You know, eat good. Gotta get it started. Off rip, pepperoni. So about to get busy, it's time to get active. Now we do it.